अब मैं आमंत्रित कर रही हूँ रुचि गिडवानी को, जो कि वैसे तो छत्तीसगढ़ में रहती है लेकिन नागपुर में पढ़ाई करती हैं। 3rd ईयर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग के छात्र हैं रुचि गिडवानी।
49वें ओवर की दूसरी गेंद, सभी लोग अपने दिल की धड़कनें थाम कर बैठे हुए हैं। नुआन कुलशेखर ने गेंद फेंकी और महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने एक छक्का मारते हुए भारत की विजय का परचम फहरा दिया है। Yes, I am talking about none other than the 2011 ICC World Cup, which brought millions of Indians together, no matter rich or poor, young or old, men or women, all dancing on streets and celebrating with that gushing euphoria. Good afternoon, one and all. I'm Ruchi Gidwani, here to speak on the topic Films, Music and Sports Unifying Forces in India. India, a country with population of about 1.2 billion, divided into 28 different states and 22 official languages, and a dozen of different religions, where a person in South speaks, thinks, and behaves in a completely different manner than a person in North. In such a situation, music, films, and sports have always proved to be an essential force in proving important towards the national integration. I feel very sorry when I think about the people who say that the feeling of oneness and unity can be seen only on 26th January or 15th August. Is it the reality, my dear friends? No. एकजुटता भारत के हर कण, हर क्षण में है, हर गली, हर नुक्कड़ में है। चाहे वो चाय की टपरी हो या फिर ट्रेन और बस में ट्रैवल करते लोग, चाहे वो हम जैसे कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स हो या फिर एक स्टेडियम की जनता, एकजुटता हम सब में है। And all these things have always been brought up by films and sports because they connect to our heart and soul. We have that feeling in us. I mean, as my one of co-speakers said, that do you think about a person sitting next to you, what state he belongs to inside a movie? You all cry together, you all laugh together on the same scenes, on the same sentiments. And that's what we probably have to understand. Movies like Chak De India, movies like Nayak, movies like Tare Zameen Par have given us a message, have brought about a social revolution and have brought about a change. Right from "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo" in 1963, which united people of India in times of war, to the national anthem, let's just say the youth anthem today of "All Is Well," and why this Kolaveri D, we are all coming a long way together. Let us consider, my dear friends, that apart from the positive, we also have a little negative. Criticism is our very habit, you know. We tend to criticize, we tend to look at the negative sides of things that might not even be very significant. But I believe it's high time that we realize we're not supposed to look at those things. And the lesson that all of them have given us to work together for one common motive. Because films, music, and sports, they've been coming a long way. ये सब पहले से होता आया है और आगे भी होता जाएगा और शायद इन सब चीजों को कोई रोक न पाएगा। पर जरूरत भी क्या है इन सबको रोकने की? जरूरत है तो सिर्फ एक उस जज्बे की जो इस देश के काम आएगा। जय हिंद।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया रुचि।